Welcome to our channel. We are Same.
Today we are going to learn about farm animals and their adventure. Cows are large farm animals with brown, black and white spots. They eat grass and make a sound called moo. Cows give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter and yogurt. They live in barns or out in the fields. Scientific name of cow is Bos taurus. There are 3 species of true buffalo: the African buffalo, the water buffalo and the Anoa. Although they somewhat resemble bison and American bison are commonly referred to as buffalo, they're not the same animals. Instead, bison and buffalo are from 2 different genera within the bovine family. Scientific name of buffalo is Bubulus bubalis. A bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. More muscular and aggressive than the females of the same species, bulls have long been an important symbol in many religions, including for sacrifices. Scientific name of bull is Bos taurus. Goats are playful animals that live on farms. They have horns on their heads and like to climb on rocks and hills. Goats eat grass, leaves and even bark from trees. They give us milk, which can be made into cheese. Scientific name of goat is Capra aegagrus hircus. Sheep, or domestic sheep, are a domesticated ruminant mammal, typically kept as livestock. Although the term sheep can apply to other species in the genus Ovis, in everyday usage it almost always refers to domesticated sheep. Like all ruminants, they are members of the order Artiodactyla, the even-toed ungulates. They have soft, fluffy wool that keeps them warm, and grown sheep's wool is used to make warm clothes. Scientific name of sheep is Ovis aries. Lambs are baby sheep. They have soft, fluffy wool that keeps them warm. Lambs like to run and play in the fields. They eat grass and drink their mother's milk. When they grow up, their wool is used to make warm clothes. Scientific name of lamb is Ovis aries. Ducks have webbed feet, which help them swim in the water. They make a sound called a quack and like to eat plants, insects and small fish. Ducks also have a special beak that helps them find food in the water. Scientific name of duck is Anas platyrhynchos domesticus. Ducklings are baby ducks. They have soft yellow feathers and like to swim in the pond. Ducklings follow their mother wherever she goes. They eat plants and small bugs in the water. As they grow, their feathers turn brown or white. Scientific name of duckling is Anas platyrhynchos domesticus. The rooster is a large and round, short-winged bird, domesticated from the red jungle fowl of Southeast Asia around 8,000 years ago. Most rooster are raised for food and providing meat. Others are kept as pets or for cockfighting. Scientific name of rooster is Gallus gallus domesticus. Hens are farm birds that lay eggs. They have feathers that can be white, brown or black. Hens peck at the ground to find food like seeds and insects. They live in a coop and cluck softly when they are happy. Most hens are raised for food, providing meat and eggs. Scientific name of hen is Gallus gallus domesticus. Chicks are baby chickens. They have yellow, fluffy feathers and are very small. Chicks peck at the ground to find food like seeds and bugs. As they grow, their feathers turn white or brown, and they start to cluck like grown-up chickens. Scientific name of chick is Gallus gallus domesticus. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family Equidae and is one of 2 extant subspecies of Equus ferus. The horse has evolved over the past 45 to 55 million years from a small multi-toed creature, Eohippus, into the large single-toed animal of today. Scientific name of horse is Equus caballus. A donkey, scientifically known as Equus asinus, is a domesticated equine, a mammal in the family Equidae, related to horses, and known for its long ears and distinctive bray vocalization. Donkeys have been used for transportation and carrying goods for centuries, especially in rural areas and mountainous regions. Also, donkey milk has been used for its nutritional value and skincare properties. Scientific name of donkey is Equus asinus. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the grey wolf. Also called the domestic dog, it was selectively bred from an extinct population of wolves during the late Pleistocene by hunter-gatherers. The dog was the first species to be domesticated by humans over 14,000 years ago and before the development of agriculture. Scientific name of dog is Canis lupus familiaris. The cat, also referred to as the domestic cat or house cat, is a small domesticated carnivorous mammal. It is the only domesticated species of the family Felidae. Advances in archaeology and genetics have shown that the domestication of the cat occurred in the Near East around 7,500 BC. Scientific name of cat is Felis catus. Rabbits are small animals with long ears and fluffy tails. They like to hop around the farm and eat vegetables like carrots and lettuce. Rabbits live in burrows or cozy nests and have soft fur that keeps them warm. Scientific name of rabbit is Oryctolagus cuniculus. Pigs are pink or brown animals that live on farms. They have big, round bodies and love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Pigs eat vegetables and grains, and they say oink oink when they talk to each other. Scientific name of pig is Sus scroffa domesticus. Bees are vital pollinators, with over 20,000 species, known for collecting nectar and pollen, communicating via dances, having 5 eyes, and fuzzy bodies. But most are solitary, not social, and face threats like habitat loss, needing help for global food security. Key things to know include their complex senses, UV light vision, social structures, queens/drones/workers, anatomy, pollen baskets, 2 stomachs, and crucial role in plant reproduction, despite their small size and specialized abilities. Scientific name of bee is Anthophila. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back. Camels have long been domesticated, and as livestock they provide food and textiles. Camels are working animals, especially suited to their desert habitat, and are a vital means of transport for passengers and cargo. Scientific name of camel is Camelus. Turkeys are large, heavy-set galliforms in the genus Meleagris, indigenous to the Americas. They are among the largest birds in their native ranges, as well as being one of the heaviest birds in the order Galliformes. Scientific name of turkey is Meleagris. The llama is a domesticated South American camelid, widely used as a meat and pack animal by Andean cultures since the pre-Columbian era. Llamas are social animals and live with others as a herd. Their wool is soft and contains only a small amount of lanolin. Llamas can learn simple tasks after a few repetitions. Scientific name of llama is Llama glama. Ostriches are large, flightless birds. 2 living species are recognized: the common ostrich, native to large parts of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich, native to the Horn of Africa. As its species name, Camelus, suggests, the ostrich was once known as the camel bird. Ostriches are the only birds with 2 toes, lay large eggs, run up to 40 miles per hour, and are not afraid to kick predators. Scientific name of ostrich is Struthio. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. To our channel, we are same. Subscribe and discover a whole new world of learning. Now you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram also. Also subscribe to our channel to watch other videos.